Alright, it is the 7th of January 2015, first ride of the new year, and I have come down to Pollock Pines to what is known as the 8 Trail, which starts just across the street from the Jenkinson Lake Sly Park ride, which I might throw in depending on how I feel. And I'm just crossing the road here and making my way up. Comes out at the Mormon Immigrant Trail a few miles up the road. It dips way down into the valley here. It's real pretty back here. No lakes or anything, but a real nice track. And it's early in the morning. It's a beautiful morning. Here we go. Alright, making the way up on the climb, the 8 Trail. Just checking out the view. I can see it, but you won't be able to see it on the video here, but the little blue from the lake down there at Sly Park rec area. And here's where I'm at right now. We're going to go around this and up the other side there, and then it's going to loop eventually up on the other side of those trees up there. Alright, still on the way up. This is probably, I don't know if I can see it through here, but right through those trees there is the best view of the lake you're going to get from this ride. A little bit more through there as I continue up this way right here. Okay, kind of reached the top of the climb, the first major climb. A little climbing all through the way here, but get a view down here through these trees of what is, I believe, Pleasant Valley. Oh my God, look at the deer. Two of them. Oh my God, I hope I got them on there. Oh, that was fucking incredible. Oh, please let me have gotten those. Anyway. Where was I? Oh, I was saying the view, I believe, is down there. Pleasant Valley. The skyline of Sacramento, which you obviously can't see because of all the air. Oh my God, that was great. Little rock wall that somebody built here. Looks like a little memorial here. Or maybe not. Let's see. Just somebody with some rocks and a stick. It's gonna be a good place to put my buddy. Once again, a view from my boatie where the deer just crossed us. Okay, we just bombed down the track after the climb. Great ride down. And then we came out on the road here, and now we're going to cross the road and go right up through there. Apparently I'm on Fleming Ridge Road here. 10 North 73B and Ferrari Mill Road, cross section. Whatever that is, I'm sure there's something back here. I wonder if the people live back here. Anyway, alright, I'm on a portion here off the single track. I can take a little moving video. You can see how green it is in here. Beautiful. Always is. Some heart on the music right now in the headphones. Alright, just made the way back down what it was the third downhill after the big climb up. And you come down that, and you come right around this here. And there's water in here after the snowfall for the year. I haven't run into a bit of snow. There should be a little bit down here this time of year for even down here. I know I have many pictures of this, but I know I don't have any video of it, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I just came down another downhill, and I just wanted to show you how similar this one is to the last turn. As you come down, oh, the sun's in the way there, but come down right up there, and right down across here, kind of just like the other one. No water in this one though, that I remember seeing. Now we're going to start climbing again, back up towards the road. We dipped down into the valley pretty quick after the first climb, and now we're making our way back. Alright, get a little downhill again. Nice and shady. Kind of came around from the other side of this ravine and curled around, as you can see. Hey there, come behind me. Not bad for one hand, huh, folks? Alright, I'm going to put the camera away so I can go a little quicker here. Well, I made a wrong turn or wasn't paying attention somewhere and just came down this very steep hill, which I am now going to have to hike back up. There's no way in fuck I'm going to ride this hill up. It's way, way, way up that, and it's very steep. But on the positive note, it led me down to this little stream down here. And so kind of a cool little area. Hang out for a second. A little tiny bit of running water down this path here. You can see there's actually a little bridge that goes across. And there's the, through that tree there, the first bit of snow I've seen over here on this side. Well, at least I found my water, which is good to know down here. If I ever bring another doggy into my world. I know he would be sitting right in here, laying his back ass down, cooling off, and enjoying the view like me. Alright, back up the hill. Here we go. Had to stop again because I'm at the base of the hill, and as I've seen before down here, I hit a ladybug colony. There's hundreds of them down here. Look at them all. They are all over the place. Alright guys, I'll leave you alone. Alas, my mistake. I took 8B. Wasn't paying attention, just saw the 8. Instead of going up the road, which I've done many times before. And you could still probably get to the same place, but that was a heck of a hill going down. And I'm not familiar with the trail to get back. I'm by myself. So I humped it back up the hill, and here we go back up the 8 trail. Alright, winding our way back down the final mile or so, mile or two, I don't know, back to the parking lot up Emigrant Trail. And here's what we're looking at right here, down this trail, across the ravine, and right back down through there. Pretty nice. Alright, now on the second part of the ride, finished the 8 trail, and now I'm going to go about 9.5 miles around this Sly Park Jenkinson Lake. What's left of the lake at the moment. See our Sierras in the background. Alright, just put my boy here on a rock. He has a nice view on one of the islands, which you can't usually even get out to here because of the water. You can see where the water comes up right here to the edge of the rocks and surrounds us. But I rode right out here, no problem. So he's out here along with the many other little tributes I have seen along this trail for their pets and people as well. So it's pretty amazing, some of these things. I've taken some pictures of them. And off we go. Alright, just crossed the bridge. Didn't go to the waterfall today, so I'm on the back side. I've been doing pretty good about Bodie, and I didn't want to go there, so I'm onward. I love this part right here. Feels like you're kind of deep in the forest. There's always green moss. It's always wet and mossy back here. I gotta climb. See, it's even iced over back here as the creek crosses. Hey guys. Alright, making my way around the backside of Jenkinson Lake. See a couple of fishing people down there. And just coming through the woods. Alright. And this is it as we head back along the fence to the highway. Right as the video's running out.